Hey everyone, Jake here. Today we're with our friends at Tuttorosso Tomatoes to share with you some delicious recipes using their crushed tomatoes. I am going to be making my spicy pancetta pasta. Only a few ingredients, which is why high quality crushed tomatoes are super important. Let's get cooking. So 128-ounce can of the crushed, and then I'm going to throw in a 14.5-ounce can of the diced, just to add in a little bit of something special to the sauce. But the crushed tomatoes are truly what you need for like a beautiful body in a thick tomato sauce. It's kind of everything I want in like a hearty pasta dish comes with crushed tomatoes. Nice and saucy. You get the chunks from the dice, but the crushed tomatoes just beautifully coat the noodles.
Thanks, Jake. So here we go with the cast of characters that we need to put this delicious, super simple soup together, guys. If you're gonna make a chili, and it's a tomato-based chili, you don't wanna cut corners on the tomatoes, which is why I use Tuttorosso all the time. You guys know that, I talk about it all the time. So there you have it, guys, Moroccan Beef Chili, made with Tuttorosso, crushed tomatoes.
Hi, I'm Jessie from The Life Jolie, and today, together with my friends at Tuttorosso Tomatoes, I'm going to show you how to make pasta al forno, or as we like to call it around here, Baked Ziti. Now what I love about Tuttorosso is that you are guaranteed the absolute best quality. This is a tomato that my family, from my grandma to my mother, have used in making our family's Sunday sauce ever since I was a little girl, and so it's extra special to me to be able to cook with that for my children now. Tuttorosso tomatoes are actually the best-selling Italian-inspired tomatoes in the United States, and with good reason. They have unmatched quality and flavor that just continues from the time they're picked right off the vine at peak ripeness to when they come to your table. This is so perfectly hot and bubbly. I cannot wait to dive right in. This is just the perfect family meal. And don't forget to follow Tuttorosso Tomatoes and the Feedfeed on Instagram. Thanks so much, guys.